Do you also want to create a base which is two products? So here is a video for you. So as you can see, I have a lot of pores and pigmentations on my skin. And to prime such an area, I'm using a pore minimizer primer, which is from Inside Cosmetics. Once that is done, here I've picked up a beauty sponge and squishing out every last drop of water from the sponge, and that's how we get a damp beauty blender. Once that is done, I've picked the foundation. This is from Charmacy Milano in the shade 05. This is a medium to high coverage. You can develop it as if you want. Now I've taken good two pumps of it and just spreading it entirely on my fist so that it becomes good to or easy to blend. Now once that is done, in dotted motions I'm going to apply it all around my face. And in generally how we just dab it with the help of or pat it with the help of a sponge, that's how I'm going to do it. So first, taking the product is important and just need to entirely spread on the face in a good dabbing motion. Don't just drag it. Even if you're using any foundation brush, you need to just dab or buff the product onto your skin. Now in this way, I'm going to cover my entire face with the foundation. If the foundation that you're using is a full coverage one, you need not to apply it again and again, or you need not to develop it. But if it is a normal foundation, you can just go the way I have shown. Now in the areas where I have pigmentation, I'm going to reapply the product a little bit more and just blending it, focusing on that particular area. Since we have applied it entirely on our face, this won't create any separation of colors. So yeah, wherever I have that pigmentation, now this won't cover the pigmentation, but yes, whatever light pigmentation I have on my skin, that'll the area would be covered to an extent, and whatever concealing we need to do will require less product. So here for concealing, I have used a concealer that is from Swiss Beauty, and this is in the shade Warm Sand. So I have picked, and you can see here, this isn't a color that is a brighter in shade. This is exactly my skin tone, and I am going to apply it in a good amount. So as you can see, I have taken the initial pump and going to apply it in the ancient form as we used to do, as it has been called right now. So I'm going to apply it in all the areas where I have pigmentation. So as you can see, I have started it from my under eye area. Now, I'm not expecting any high coverage or, high definition over here. But since we have already applied the foundation, we can very easily cover it. Now, once that is done, I'm going to apply, spray a little bit of a dewy setting mist and going to blend the product very evenly. Now, once if you have applied any kind of setting mist which is dewy, it is very easy to blend and it doesn't create any cakiness. These are the only two products that you'll require. See to it that you don't go for a higher color of concealer. The concealer after the foundation has to be exactly your skin tone if you want to cover the pigmentation, and that's what I have shown here. And by itself, you can create a very good base. As you can see, it has covered all the pigmentation that I had. Now before powdering, I'm going to set this once again with the help of the dewy mist that I had. That is from NYB, and after I'm done with the makeup, this is how it looks. I hope this was helpful, and if you would like to know more about makeup and how to do different kinds of makeup, please do subscribe my channel and also hit the bell button so that you get notified of all my videos on time. Thank you so much.